Slide 1. Good morning, professors. My name is Zhang Jiye. Today I'm very happy to present my project. The title of my presentation is Smart Share Power Bank Upgrade and Operation Project. This project is about improving the share power bank service. I will introduce the project from the different aspects. First, I will explain the project personal. Then I will talk about the business vision. After that, I will introduce the project goals, governance, communication, risks, and I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you. And slide 2. Now let me start with the project purpose. Today, many people use share power banks. People often need to charge their phone when they are outside. However, the current shared power bank service still has some problem. First, the charging speed is slow. Second, some machines do not work well. Third, there are not enough devices in busy place. The problem reduces customer satisfaction. So this project wants to improve the whole system. And I will plan use 20 wave fast charging power banks. We will also build a smart management system. And the system can help manage the equipment more efficiently. It can improve customer experience and business performance. This is main idea of the project. Now let's move to the next part. Is slide 3. Next, I will talk about the business vision. The project has both long-term and short-term goals. The long-term vision is to build a strong smart charging brand in this city. We want more people to know and trust our service. The short goals is simpler. We want to install our requirement in 3 main business areas. We also want to build a stable operation system. Another goal is to make the project profitable. This project also creates value for customers. People can charge their phones faster and more safely. And it also creates value for business partners. Merchants can earn extra income by working with us, so both customers and merchants can benefit from this project. And I will continue with the project goals and slide 4 and project goals. This slide explains the project goals and the scope, and our main goals is install 300 smart power bank stations. We plan to finish this work in 6 months. After 6 months, we hope the project can reach the break-even point. The project has 3 main stages. First, we choose supplier and sign contracts. Second, we install the requirement and test the system. Third, we officially launch the service. The project scope includes requirement purchasing. It also includes software development. We will negotiate with merchants. We will install the machine and manage daily operation. Some work is not included. For example, we will not manufacture the hardware our sliver. We will also not expand to other cities during this project. It, this helps us to control the project more easily. And next, slide 5, project governance. Now I will talk about project governance. Good project management needs a clear team structure. In this project, we have three main levels. The first level is the training community. It makes important decisions and they approve the budget. It also approves major changes. The second level is project manager. The project manager is responsible for the daily work, and the manager controls the structure, the cost, the project risk. The third level is the project team. The team includes people for business, technology, operation, quality, and finance. Each member has different responsibilities. We also have weekly meetings. It helps everyone know the project progress. With a clear structure, the project can run smoothly. Now, let's move the communication plan. And slide 6. Communication is very important in every project. Different people need different information. First, the training community receive a report every month. They check the project progress, budgets, and risks. Second, the project team has a meeting every week to discuss daily tasks and solve problems together. And third, we communicate with merchant every 2 weeks. We talk about requirement, icon, and customer feedback. Finally, we keep regular contact with supplier. We discuss deliver technical support and maintenance. Good communication can reduce misunderstandings. It also helps solve problems more quickly. And slide 7. Every project has risk. This project is no exception. The first risk is equipment damage or safe. To reduce the risk, we will buy insurance. We will also use GPS tracking. The second risk is financial problems. Sometimes the project may need more money, so we keep part of the budget as a reserve fund. The third risk is market competition. Other companies may lower their price to stay competitive. We will provide faster charging and better service. The last risk is supply chain delayed. Some part may arrive late, so we will work with 2 suppliers instead of only one. This can reduce delays. With this plan, we can manage our risks better. And slide 8, um, procurement plan. Now, let's look at the procurement plan. We need to buy different resources for this project. This includes smart charging cabinets. We also need power banks, service, and software service. For hardware, we will use open bidding. This helps us choose good supplier at a reasonable price. For software development, we will invite experienced companies. The hardware delivered will take about 45 working days. The software development will take about 60 working days. Before using the requirement, we will complete food testing. All products must pass the quality requirements. We will also have backup supplier. This helps avoid supplier problems. Our goal is simple. We want good quality, reasonable cost, and on-time deliveries. Slide 9, and quality plan. Now I will talk about the quality plan. Quality is very important for this project. We want to provide a safe and reliable service. First, let's look at the hardware. Before the power banks are used, every produce will be tested. We will check the battery and the charging function. We want to keep the failure rates very low. Next is the software. Before the system goes online, we will not do service tests. This helps us find problems early. It also makes the system more stable. Finally, we focus on the customer service. If a machine has a problem, our team will respond quickly. We also want to solve customer problems as soon as possible. Good quality can improve customer satisfaction. It also can help the business group in the future. And the next slide 10. This slide is about a transition plan. Our project is completed. It will be handing over to the operation teams. And before the handover, we will make sure everything's work well. We will also prepare all important documents. This includes the requirement list, maintenance guides, merchant contracts, and financial records. Next, we will provide training. The training will last for 1 month. The operations team will learn how to use the assistant. They will also learn how to solve common problems. After the handover, the project will continue to improve, and we will collect feedback from customers and merchants. Then we will make improvement with when necessary. This helped keep the project running smoothly. And the final part of my presentation, slide 11. And finally, I will talk about the project cost and timeline. The total project budget is 38,000 no 380,000 euros. Yep, correct. And most of the money will be used to buy equipment. Other part of the budget is for software development. We also need money for daily operations and project management. And finally, we keep part of the budget as a contingency service. This money can help us deal with expect problems. Now let's look at the timeline. The whole project will take about 6 months. First, we will choose supplier and sign contracts, and next, we will install the text or the requirement. After that, we will officially launch the service. Our goal is reach the break-even point at the end of the project. In conclusion, I believe this project is pretty fair and has a good business, and it can provide better charging service for customer, and it can also create value for merchants and investors. And thank you for your time. This is the end of my presentation, and I'm happy to answer these questions. Thank you.